In this quick video, I am going to show you how to change your profile picture on your YouTube channel using iPhone and iPad. Okay, first step, you need to open Settings app. Then scroll down and open YouTube. Now here you can see this option Photos. Touch that. Then make sure this All Photos option was selected. Now minimize this and open YouTube app. Then click here. Now tab your channel. Now click this pencil like icon. Now just click here and tap choose from your photos. Now select your profile picture, your YouTube channel logo. I choose this one. If you don't know how to create a free logo without Photoshop means, watch this video, link in the description. Then click save. That's it. Now your YouTube channel profile picture was successfully changed. This is how you can change your YouTube channel profile picture on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.